In today's video, we are gonna be unboxing the iPhone 17 Pro in the cosmic orange color, 256 gigabytes. Just sit tight and enjoy the music. So this part of the video is recorded with the front camera of the iPhone 17 Pro. I know it's like 8 a.m. and I do have this beautiful sun and there's really good lighting out there, but look at this. I feel like it looks really good. And I just need to point out that I am not using an external microphone, so this is how this phone's microphone sounds like. I feel like it sounds pretty good. You can be the judge of it. So first impressions of the phone, I am really liking it. I was a little bit worried because I went from the Pro Max to the Pro, and but yeah, so far I've been liking it a lot. I'm recording outside of the house, so there's a lot of noise, but so yeah, I've had the phone for about a week or almost a week, and it's been pretty solid. Battery lasts all day, so I usually wake up at like 7 a.m. and I go to bed around 10 to 11. By the time I go to bed, I still have about 30 to 40% of battery, so depending on the day, but I feel like that's pretty damn good. With my previous phone, well, I had the 15 Pro Max, and this past few months I had to charge it when it was like maybe like 6 p.m. So yeah, so like 11 hours in the day I had to charge it. But so far this guy has been rock solid, and I use it to watch content during the day. So I watch a lot of YouTube videos. I watch right now there's like the tennis tournaments in China, so I'm watching the recap. So I'm constantly watching videos and using my phone, even if it's just for background sounds or background music, or something of that nature. But yeah, so battery life has been very consistent, and yeah, I mean, as of right now, there's nothing bad I can say about this phone, and I'm really happy. I'm really excited. I do have a few videos that I have planned coming up. I will be going to a festival, to a music festival, and I do plan to make a few videos, or make a lot of videos. We'll see, with the iPhone 17 Pro as the main camera, and I feel like that will be a really good test in battery, since it's gonna be a music festival where I'm gonna be in all day, and the only thing I'm gonna be doing is gonna be listening to music, taking pictures, and recording videos. So stay tuned for that. As of right now, I just want to say thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.